Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the English group. We will give our 5 tutorial to fix troubleshooting on a computer. I will introduce myself. My name is Addnan Nurwakhid. I am from University Amikom Yogyakarta. And this my friend Wahyu Nugroho, Lilis Widianti, Hernanda Giri Pramudita, and Dian Pratama. So now we will give or read a tutorial on fixing troubleshooting in a computer. I invite to Wahyu Nugroho to read it, and we apologize in advance because it cannot be practiced directly and we don't have some of these tools to practice. Okay, for the first time we invite Wahyu Nugroho to read the first tutorial.
Okay, this time I want to tell you about the troubleshooting computer. Example, your computer don't want the turn on. Step 1, check the cable connection. Step 2, check the stabilizer. And 3, step 3, check the cable power. And step 4, you check the motherboard and power supply. Thank you.
The second tutorial, I invite Lilis Widianti to read the second tutorial.
My name is Lilis Widianti. I am a student at Yogyakarta Amikom University. Here I will explain one of the solutions to problem on the computer. That is, the computer simply cannot read flash disk because the flash use low voltage electric. If the power is lacking, it will have an impact on reading data on the flash. Means the possibility of problem that occur is that the power supply is weak. How to fix it? Replace power supply with a new one. Or you can also try plugging in the back USB port that is directly connecting to the motherboard. If the tactic the back can occur on the front USB port, front use port of our computer.
For the third tutorial, I will read the third tutorial. The computer wants to lag but doesn't want to boot. How to fix it? In this case, you first need to recognize the meaning of the beep on the computer. Here, the various meaning of beep or beep. Beep just 1 second that the computer in good condition. Beep 1 time like there is a problem in memory. Beep 1 time long and 3 times source damage on the VGA card. Beep 1 time long and 2 times source damage in DRAM. Be ready. Continuous beep damage on memory or video memory modules. For the fourth tutorial, I invite Hernanda Giri Pramudita to read the fourth tutorial.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Addnan. You can call me Giri. My ID number is 19.11.2761. I will tell you about troubleshooting like keyboard not detected by computers. How to fix it? Check that the keyboard is installed correctly. If you have but the keyboard is still not detected, then it's likely keyboard problem. Try replace the keyboard if it has been replaced but is also still problematic. Then most likely the fault is in the keyboard but on the motherboard. If the keyboard has been replaced by a new but still not detected, also try to replace with a USB keyboard, and if not detected, also means there is an incorrect operating system.
For the fifth tutorial, I invite to Dian Pratama to read the fifth tutorial.
Hello, my name is Dian Pratama. I will explain troubleshooting about problem monitor turn off. Solution 1. The computer may be in the sleep mode. Click the mouse or press any key on the keyboard to turn it on. Solution 2. Make sure the monitor is connected to a power source and is turned on. Solution 3. Make sure the computer is connected to a power source and is turned on. Solution 4. If you are using a desktop computer, then make sure the monitor cable is connected to the rear casing of the computer and monitor.
So that's all the tutorial which we can give, and don't forget to subscribe the Addnan Nurwakhid AW channel. Click the bell icon, click the like icon, and share with your friend. Thank you for my friend because give a time for making a video, and thank you for all my friend which can watch in this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.